new album called Covers. And nagbebenta po kami ng CD. Bukod po sa panahingi ng mga barya. Eh, nagbebenta din kami ng CD sa labas. No, but actually in this album, it's already out in the Philippines. We have like 16 songs, and all of them are my favorite songs. I've always wanted to do, kaya lang I never had a chance to until now. And medyo kakaiba po yung album kasi I've tried different kinds of music, iba-ibang genre po. Like I tried to sing medyo jazzy, medyo rock pop. Like this song, You Call Me, medyo pop rock siya ng konti. So medyo nag-i-experiment po ako ng konti sa album na to. So I hope you guys can get a copy. Anyway, I'd like to sing a couple of songs again for all of you. This time naman po, isa po sa mga iniidolo kong singer ay si Mariah Carey. And this afternoon I'd like to sing some of her songs and I hope you guys will enjoy it.